All right, so this is from below. I'm just skating. What do I want to talk about? I want to talk about this concept that I really hold it out for me to see myself in the background. 10 seconds. Stop right here. So I was thinking about the levels of production and why I chose the DJI OSMO 3 instead of all the other cameras that are out there. And the reason being is because of three factors: production, post-production, and publish. The goal is to hit that publish button. The goal is to hit that upload button. And so how fast do I get to it based upon the gear that I'm using? And so it's so difficult looking at the lens, looking at you, instead of looking at myself, because the screen is so big, it's just right there, and the camera is just so small. A recommendation for you, DJI, is if you actually had like a little red, that wouldn't work at night because then the reflection of the little red light. I was thinking of having a red light on the lens to indicate recording, but when you're using low light and you don't want to be drawing a lot of attention to yourself, I can understand how that could be kind of annoying. 1, 2, 3. The camera is so wide. It's ridiculous how wide this thing is. And there's a lot of wind currently coming into my face, which kind of hurts. So it's not that great. Probably not great for the viewer either. That's Library of Congress. I have to adjust the gimbal so it's not so jarring. Thing is, I don't recognize how wide this lens really is. I want to connect this to a, what do you call it? Not a tripod, but a selfie. That's what it is. A selfie stick extender. So that way I get a really cool, dope low shot image. Low shot image to the ground, panning up. That's the Supreme Court building. I'm just using all auto at the moment. I figured, why should I use low light mode when I can just auto? This building is huge. So I forget about how big this building is. That's behind of the Supreme Court building. It's cool stuff. Whew. All right, back to my face. The thing that is interesting about this camera right now is that just the flexibility of changing the perspective is awesome. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Oh my gosh. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Taking a right, person? Nope, not taking a right. Ooh, can I photograph the longboard folks? Another one, but the scooter peoples. Let's gotta get closer to them. Oh, I don't want to zoom in. Oh, so that button adjusts audio. That's actually pretty clever. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. These words of mine. That zooms in, this zooms out. This goes side to side. Sheesh. You should be good for a bit. Hopefully they're not turning. That's what's up. So they gotta hold this down. I thought my light idea was a good idea at first, but then I realized that it was actually not that bright of an idea because it ruins the ability for filmmakers to kind of just shoot, especially at night. So it leaves in 5 minutes. Some nice tracking shot. This person running through the hallways. Is he gonna make his train? I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. This is where I get super hot.